Why am I doing a DIY YouTube channel? You know how everyone wants a secret alter ego? Bruce Wayne has got Batman, and Hannah Montana has the best of both worlds. Clark Kent has Superman. Well, I've got this stupid little YouTube channel called DIY Derek. By day, I am a corporate executive. I wear a suit and tie all day, every day, meetings, spreadsheets, executive presentations, and honestly, I love my job. But there's this other side of me, this side that needs to get my hands dirty, literally. When I'm not in a boardroom, I'm out building something. A sauna, a fireplace, an attic restoration. Stay tuned for that one. Backyard shed, stairs, shelves, a kitchen remodel, you name it. This channel is a creative outlet for me. It helps me to scratch my itch to build and create something impactful and beautiful. And like any good DIY project, this channel takes persistence, patience, and a willingness to be humble while learning new skills. And I'm also a husband to an amazing wife who loves design and decor. She's the brains and the vision behind what makes our spaces beautiful. And I'm also a dad to all daughters who love to change up their rooms and dream up fun projects that make our house feel more like a home. They all keep me inspired, and they remind me why I love doing this in the first place. My second why is simple. I love helping people improve their homes. We spend more time at home as a society than ever before. If that's where we live most of our lives, we should absolutely love it. We should love our homes. We should love our space and be happy to come home to them. I have found so much joy turning my very average, very humble home into a space that brings me personal happiness. And since I'm already doing these projects anyway, I figured that I might as well bring people along to show them the process, share the lessons, the mistakes that I've learned, and maybe inspire someone else to try. Because I get it. Home improvement, it can be intimidating. Cutting into drywall for the first time, using power tools for the first time, starting a renovation from scratch, I've been there. But the satisfaction that comes from transforming your own space is totally worth it. I love it. It gives me so much joy. My third why, all right, this one is shameless, but I love DIY so much that I'm gonna be doing this forever, whether I film it or not. So, if I can partner with great companies and get some free materials or tools to feed my DIY addiction, and maybe even make better videos in the process for you, that's a win-win-win. Like the Beatles famously said, I get by with a little help from my friends. So that's my DIY. This channel is about learning, creating, and helping others feel confident tackling their own projects, and having a little fun along the way. Thanks for being here. Your support genuinely means a lot. It helps me to keep building, keep learning, and hopefully inspiring you and others to do the same. There's this book that I love that says, "We hope that you can learn to be more wise than we have been." And a lot of that is why I'm doing this channel. I am hoping that I can learn some lessons along the way and that I can teach those to other people so that they don't have to make the same mistakes that I've made. My name is Derek, and this is DIY Derek. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next project.